girl Marcy to be here, and I want you to do me a favor. If you hear me say anything about making another one of these lace front crochet wigs, please tell me to step away from the computer. So I went to my beauty supply store, bought 5 packs of the new Bobbi Brazilian Ocean Wave 20 inches, along with one of these make your own wig cornrow caps and one of these lace frontals. Call myself, as we say, gonna make a lace front crochet wig that you could do multiple partings in the front with. Why in the world would I try to do something like that? It turned out to be just a little more work than I anticipated. So I settled for making a natural hairline lace front crochet wig that you could part in the center, right side part, flip it to either side, or wear it straight back. So here I made a small right side part, and I'm going to change that now and wear it with the center part. Then I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. So you can pretty much get the idea, even though this is not like a full lace frontal that you're able to pretty much part anywhere you want. You can still achieve different looks along the hairline by flipping the hair on this unit from side to side or pulling it back away from your face. So a little 411 about this new Bobbi Brazilian Ocean Wave. I told you I was going to show you some of the new stuff this week. Along with the Ocean Wave style, they also came out with a water curl and Brazilian deep twist. This hair is Connectalon Toyokalon 20 inches. The colors 1B, 2, 4, T1B 27, T1B 30, T1B burgundy. Now this is all I have left out of my 5 packs. This is not even one strand. This is about maybe half a strand, or the strands are probably about twice or 3 times the size, but you can see the curl pattern there. And then the texture, this hair has a nice yucky smooth texture, like if I were to compare it to the, say, the Kima Ocean Wave, that hair is more spongy or crimpy, while this hair is smooth, yucky, knots very easily. The knots do not slip. I did encounter a little bit of tangling, but you can brush that right out without even disturbing the curl pattern. I'm gonna affectionately refer to this hair as Ghetto Fabulous, because you can wear you some crochet braids, people won't even be able to tell if it's virgin, Remy hair, human hair, if it's a weave. Buy you some of this Bobbi Brazilian Ocean Wave, $5.99 a pack, and just go ahead and slay. YouTube, that will do it for this video. Now, if there's anything that I did not cover, please post a question or comment down below and I'll get right back at you. I will also post a link to where you can find this hair online if your local beauty supply store doesn't have it yet. That's all for now though, YouTube, and you know what I always say before I go. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.